Okay, I'm live. Okay. Just so you don't feel cheated with my rant video, I'm doing a mushroom kit video. Mushroom season's almost upon us, and this is what I carry to hunt and gather mushrooms. So, the bag name is unimportant, and I'm just going to go through each pocket. I always have with me an emergency space blanket. You never know, just in case. So that's all that's in that pocket. I'm trying to do this one-handed and hold the camera. So I have a mushroom knife. Now, you do not have to have a mushroom knife. Any knife will work. It doesn't matter. These are made small with a bristle brush on them, and you can see the way the blade protection is made. It is a stainless steel blade, and it is short and dull at the end. So basically, you hold the mushroom, cut it, flip it over, scrape it off. Like I said, the brand name doesn't matter. So that's my mushroom knife. Let's see here. And this compartment, I think I just have some bandanas. Just to kind of wipe the sweat off my brow. Sorry, my finger keeps getting, I'm switched left-handed. Over here, I always carry a canteen with a canteen cup, just in case, I get thirsty. I want something to drink, basically. And here I have brown paper bag, because you always want to put mushrooms in a paper bag. You do not want to use plastic. As you can see, Bentley the bushcraft dog. I also carry a 7-inch cat's paw nail puller. This is basically in case I come across some roots where I want to take the whole mushroom. I can dig with it. I can pry the root system out with it. If I have to, I can hammer something with it. That's just me. Again, you don't have to have this stuff. Just a brown paper bag and a knife. And here I have pencil. I have some of these note cards just clipped together for notes on where I found the mushroom, what other plants was growing beside it, stuff like that. Right here. And every time I do gears or get ready to go out, he's always wanting to go with me. He's a good dog. Okay. And here I have, just in case I feel like making tea, pine needle tea, I have this little Coleman tea set, what I call it. I also have this is just convenience in case I'm out and I want to make tea. I want to, start early in the morning and I want some breakfast or something. I take this tape, basically. This is just electrical white tape. And the only reason I have this is in case I get a hole in my gear, I need to tape something together. And this is just in case I want to make tea. Now, that's all that's in there. Well, I'll take it back. I do have some allergy in case I get, thorn splinters. That's always in every bag I carry. A lighter to make tea with, and a handmade pot holder. Now, out of all this gear, what do you need? You need a knife and a brown paper bag. That is all you need. The rest of it is basically convenience items. I always take water with me. I always take stuff to make a brew of, pine needle tea, or, maybe some, I can't think of the name, coffee, just for convenience items. But what you need is a knife and a brown paper bag, and know your mushrooms. I'm going to be doing videos on them, on identifying and everything else once they start coming up out of the ground. So, it's a quick impromptu video. If you have any questions, like I said, the name brands don't matter. Just, carry what you got and know your mushrooms. And like I said, I'll be doing a video on those. So you have a good day now. Love you.